Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how we can make money with our idle money on Bybit. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account, subscribe to this very channel, like the videos, and as well share the videos. So we'll be looking at how we can make money on this very account called Bybit without trading. A lot of us are afraid of trading because we are afraid to lose. And a lot of us wants to trade, but we do not know how to trade. So this will really help us in making money from Bybit without trading, right? So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account and log into your account. If you log into your account, it's going to bring you to this amazing interface. The next thing you will do is to click on more. If you click on more, it's going to navigate you to this very place. So you will come here to click on Bybit N. We have done this in some of my previous video, and I'm doing this again. I think if you were there in my previous video, you will purely understand where we are going to here. So you just go along with us. Click on Bybit N. If you click on Bybit N, you will come to this place and you'll see a lot of opportunity for you to stake. Right? You will stake and you exercise patience for the staking dates to be over, for the durations to be over. Then you're going to cash out both your profits and your money. So let me scroll down and show you something. Let's scroll down. So you see this what is it called, ETH? This is ETH here. You see USDT, USDC, and what have you. Okay, there are a lot of them here. So we're going to choose just one. But first, we'll go on with the flexible savings. Clicking on the flexible saving, you exercise patient, it will navigate you to a place like this. If it brings you to a place like this, then the next thing you just need to do is to choose your assets. We can come to this place. You see, this one is already sold out. The duration is 1 day, and the APR is 300%. You can see this. It's already sold out, and the APR is what? Is 300%. And this also, you are going to get 10%, 10.7%. But what you are going to stake here is USDE. So you first get the USDE, then you stake. But this is WOW. The WOW said you can gain 99% APR. So let's go with the WOW and see. Clicking on stake, exercise patience. If you click on stake, it will bring you to a place of this nature. The minimum well you can stake is 50,000 to 1 million wells. You can see here. The minimum wealth you can stake here, is 50,000 well to 1 million well. So all you just need to do is to get your well from the spot trading parts and come to this place to stake it. So you move on. So the moment you get some wall, it will appear here. If it appear here, then you can use it to stake. You can see the current amount of the well now here is 0 because we have no well available here. The remaining pool size is here, and the remaining pool size is still much. That is, the opportunity is still high. You can still buy much more before it will be closed. The duration is here. I said the duration, sorry. The remaining pool size is here. You can see the pool size is highly large. Your other time will now be here. The yield will be here. The yield starts. And the yield distribution date is this. That is, if you stake this wall today, it will be distributed on August 23rd. Just one day. So if you're seeing this now, dive into it like right away. The next thing you just come to this place to do is to click on I have read and agreed to Bybit terms of services. Just click on it. If you click on that, the next thing you just need to do is to click on stake and confirm it. If you click on stake and confirm it, then you will just wait for the duration time to be over. Then you cash out what belongs to you. And on this, you are going to cash out both what is given to you and what you staked. So you cash out everything. So I will be stopping here for today. If you do have any question, do well to subscribe, do well to drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.